I'm going to show you how to quickly reset your workspaces, whether it's a custom workspace that you created or one of the default ones that comes with Adobe Premiere. Premiere Pro. It is very easy when you're editing the video to start moving things around and kind of make a mess. I'm going to show you a really fast way to restore your workspace and get it back to the way it was. The workspaces are located up top. You can see that I'm in the editing workspace because it's highlighted in blue. This is one of the default ones of Premiere Pro. Now I've been moving things all around. It's getting kind of messy. I want to get it back to the saved layout of editing. There's a couple of ways that you can do that. You can come up to Window, choose Workspaces, then choose Reset to save layout. That's one way. You can also click this little hamburger menu Reset to save layout, but there is a faster way if you want to restore or reset back to the save layout of any of your workspaces. All you need to do is simply double-click on the editing. When you first do it, it's going to give you this little warning. It says you want to do it continue. I want to uncheck this. I don't want to ask every time. I just want to double-click, uncheck that, click yes. Now it's going to restore it back to the default settings or back to the saved layout of editing or any of the workspaces. You can see here I have a custom layout that I've been moving all around. It's kind of a mess. All I need to do is simply double-click on it. Since I already unchecked that dialog box, it does it without asking. So to quickly reset the workspace in Premiere Pro, simply double-click on the workspace. All right, that's it for today.